What it is, guys, your boy Roy Jay-Z. So we're back on the Saran, man. So right now we're gonna be heading to a abandoned little dirt spot that I can, you know, put the Saran to the test, you feel me? So it's a little dirt spot off of the riverbed. A lot of people really don't know about them. Like if y'all watched my last video, I found the little, seemed like abandoned dirt bike spot. They got like nice little jumps over there, but you feel me, we finna take it to another spot that is low-key kind of abandoned. Homeless people used to live in there, but I guess they got cleaned out, so we finna go check it out and explore it real quick. So man, make sure y'all stay tuned for that fire there. But this spot right here, they got abandoned fox bodies, abandoned three-wheeler dirt bikes, ATV. They got another abandoned fox body right there. Like this is a gym, but dirt bikes, like they got everything abandoned. Like anything off-road, they got it left there. But I wish I could find the owners of it, bruh. Oh yeah, look at that, boy. Like I could hold it, but it's like sometimes I pop the bike up weird. The trail go off of there. I gotta see who that is in there. I'm gonna look right past. I'm gonna see. Look like a city worker, so I'm gonna just chill for a little bit. We're gonna double back. Bro, almost looped. Almost looped right there, no cap. But yeah, man, I'm not gonna lie, I recorded a whole video yesterday, bro, and my camera mic was not plugged in right, so it was just picking up everything but my voice. We finna go hop in this park real quick. Looking at, you gotta be careful of the dogs and folks. Come on now, big player with it. Woo -hoo. Ugh, they are working over here. Oh, this shit hella bumpy over here. I don't even know what's up with these rocks. Ugh. Bro, this is the worst side to come on. It's so bumpy for what? Bro, I know y'all can hear it in my voice how bumpy this stuff is. Hope I don't get a flat. He wanted to stop me. He started turning towards me, but we finna get out of here before the police come. Cause you don't, but this is like, I think this is private property for the city because of the trikes and stuff, but all this trash, my boy. Bro, wheelies on point. Honda Accord, green wheel, not on point. You feel me? I don't even know where this go to. I'm kind of lost. Yep, turn around. Ain't no way, boy. Should we follow the railroad all the way down? Again, I'm gonna have to hop on these wood planks. This is more comfortable to ride on a little bit. But this is not my smartest idea to ride on this stuff. Damn, he all up on the curve. There's certain spots like I ride on the sidewalk because this is Paramount area and the police be tripping. Well, they trip on mini bikes, but I never had a problem with them over here. So hopefully they don't, you know, really do nothing. But you know, I'm not finna be out here trying to figure it out and test it out with them. You feel me? So we just gonna do that little sidewalk ride right there. Then we gonna hop back on the street to get up to speed. You feel me? You got to bust the left and hit it. You feel me? Yeah, we're doing 45. And watch the freeways too, because highway patrol love to bounce off the freeways and get you. You feel me? Looking nice. You just gonna just cruise it. You feel me? Let out the throttle, just let it go down. I wish I had regen though. I need that BCA. I need that battery upgrade on me. The battery. I'm thinking about getting a BAC 4000 and doing a battery bypass so I can get that extra power. Then after I do that, I seen a video. That's what he did to his battery. Then he swapped over. He getting the 72 volt, and I had the upgraded controller with the egg rider and all that. So you just gotta, you know, see how much that bad boy costs. You know. Come on, bro. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and thank y'all for tuning in, and peace out. You feel me? Thank